Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have the opportunity to present you the fantastic electric scooter from Ausom company, which brings the perfect combination of style, practicality and performance. This model was created for urban areas with a speed of 25 km per hour and a range of up to 80 km per charge, with accessories such as NFC unlocking and a beautiful LED lighting. The GX1 is a real treat for technology lovers and modern city transportation, all at a very affordable price. Let's start unpacking and see what the Ausom GX1 electric scooter has to offer in this review. As always, unboxing is the moment when we get to know the device for the first time, and the GX1 did not disappoint. The scooter comes in a compact package that is surprisingly easy to handle, along with the scooter itself, which is very well packed and protected in the box. Inside we find the Ausom GX1 user manual that explains all functions in multiple languages, two reflective stickers for added safety, a multifunctional tool for basic assembly, the power cable, as well as the charger itself. The assembly process is simple and takes only 10 to 15 minutes, and that is required to attach the few screws, inflate the tires, and your GX1 is ready to go. This part certainly shines in light on the build quality and attention to detail, and there it is, we are ready for the first ride. One of the first details that delight us was the carefully design of the Ausom GX1 electric scooter. In combination of mint green and black colors gives it a modern elegant look, perfect for those who want to stand out in the city crowd, but without being overly aggressive. The colors are stable and scratch resistant thanks to the high quality coating that additionally contributes to the durability and resistance of the scooter to external influences. The basic structure is made of aircraft-grade aluminum, which not only provides high strength and durability but also makes the scooter relatively light for its size. With a total weight of 22.4 kilograms, this combination makes the GX1 the perfect choice for everyday use, as you can easily raise or fold it when needed, for example when entering a building or taking a public transport. The scooter was designed with the user in mind, so the handles are designed to be easy to fold. The folding system is simple and fast, allowing you to pack the scooter in less than a few seconds. When folded, it takes up minimal space, making it ideal for those who live in smaller apartments or travel frequently by car. The height of steering wheel is adjustable in the range of 90 to 120 centimeters, which means that the GX1 is suitable for a wide range of drivers, from teenagers to adults. The standing platform is specially designed to provide the maximum stability. Its within allows the driver to take comfortable and safe position while driving, even when the legs are placed parallel. The surface of the platform is covered with the anti-slip strips, which further increase safety, especially when driving into rainy or wet conditions. This is a detail that you may not immediately notice, but which makes a huge difference in everyday use. Finally, every aspect of the design, from the placement of LED light straps on the steering wheel to the elegant integrated LCD screen to the ergonomics handles, is designed to give you the ultimate driving experience, while all the same time giving the impressions of sophisticated and quality product. One of the key aspects of the Ausom GX1 scooter is a sufficiently power motor and reliable battery, which provide an excellent riding experience for everyday needs. The scooter is powered by the powerful 500-watt brushless motor located in the rear wheel. This motor allows you for smooth and fast acceleration even on small slopes, with a torque over 20 Nm. As for the speed, the maximum speed of 25 km per hour is divided into 3 practical levels. Level 1 20 km per hour ideal for beginners, younger riders, or for relaxed rides when you want to enjoy the view of surroundings. Level 2 90 km per hour, the perfect speed for everyday city riding, providing a balance between safely and efficiently. Level 3 25 km per hour, the top speed, which is great for those who want to get to their destination quickly and efficiently. Switching between these levels is easy. Using the controls on the steering wheel allows riders to adjust the speed according to their needs and road conditions. The battery, with a capacity of 48 volt and a 15.6 amp hour, promise a range of 65 to 80 kilometers per charge according to the manufacturer. In real driving conditions with intensive and maximum speed, we achieve a range of around 60 kilometers, which is a very good result. Factors such as the weight of the rider, the terrain, and the driving style can significantly affect this range. One of the great features of the GX1 is the ability to charge via the 2 separate chargers. If you have both chargers, you can fully charge the battery in just 4 hours, which is extremely practical for users whose time is precious. If you use only one charger, the process takes about 8 hours, which is the standard for those types of scooters. When it comes to starting the scooter, safety and convenience are further enhanced thanks to the NFC keys. The scooter comes with the 3 NFC keys, which allows you to easily and quickly unlock the scooter with just one touch. For added security, there is also the option of connecting to a mobile phone, allowing you to start the scooter via app. This feature not only enhances convenience but also prevents unauthorized use, significantly boosting the scooter security. On the steering wheel is a modern round LCD speedometer, which not only looks aesthetically appealing but also provides all the key driving informations in a clear manner. The display shows the current speed, battery charge level, selected speed level, total mileage, and the number of kilometers traveling in the current ride. The display is illuminated, so it's easy to read both day and night. This scooter combines technical performance with practicality and the safety features, making it an excellent choice for everyday rides. One of the most important advantages of the GX1 model is the suspension system, which is specially designed for comfortable ride even on uneven roads. The front telescopic fork is combination with the rear swingarm shock absorbers effectively absorb shocks, providing stability and reducing vibrations on uneven surfaces, regardless of whatever you are riding through the city streets, parks, or over wild roads. This system allows a comfortable ride without unnecessary strain on the rider. The GX1 comes with 10-inch tires, which are wider than average and further contribute to stability and grip on various surfaces. These tires makes it easier to overcome objects such as holes, rocks, or wet surfaces, making the ride safer and more comfortable. The white platform cover with the anti-slip strips provides stability even at the higher speeds. The GX1 particularly stands out in terms of safety. It's equipped with a dual braking system, which combines front disc brakes with the rear electronic braking. This system allows the quick and effective stopping even at the higher speeds. Another important addition is the turn signals integrated into the front and rear of the scooter. This feature is extremely useful for driving in the city traffic or at the night, as it allows the drivers to clear signal changes of the direction, increasing safety and visibility in traffic. All these features make the Ausom GX1 the perfect choice for drivers looking for a reliable, safe and comfortable electric scooter. Its powerful engine, advanced suspension system, quality tires, dual braking system and additional features such as NFC keys and a smart display provides the optimal driving experience whether you are navigating city streets or exploring less well-maintained roads. With a modern design and cutting-edge technology, the GX1 sets a new standard for electric scooters in this class, all at an extremely affordable price. The Ausom GX1 is not just a means of transportation, it is a perfect blend of functionality and style. Don't miss out, click the link below this video to secure your Ausom GX1 today and see why this is the right choice for your everyday needs. That's all for now, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon with a new video review. Bye.